In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a SharePoint list to Power BI. If you're working with data that's hosted on SharePoint and looking to leverage Power BI's powerful visualization capabilities, this guide is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Power BI is a widely used tool for business analytics, which helps you visualize your data and share insights across your organization. Once you've got Power BI Desktop up and running, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window. There, you'll find the Home tab. Under that tab, look for an option titled Get Data. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of data sources you might connect to. However, for today's purpose, continue to the bottom of that menu and click on More. Clicking More will open up a comprehensive list of all the data source options available to you. Since our focus today is on linking a SharePoint list, scroll through this list until you find SharePoint Online List. SharePoint Online List is specifically designed to help you pull data right from your SharePoint sites seamlessly into Power BI. After selecting SharePoint Online List, you'll be prompted to paste a URL. It's crucial here to input the URL for the SharePoint site where your list is housed, not the URL of the list itself. This step ensures Power BI can access the full context of your lists, which are stored within that particular SharePoint site. With your URL in place, go ahead and click OK. Now, depending on your security settings, Power BI might ask you to provide credentials. No need to worry. Simply use the same Microsoft or organization account credentials that you would use to log into SharePoint. This ensures secure access to your data. As soon as you're logged in, you should see the Navigator pane come to life. The Navigator will display all the lists available on the SharePoint site you linked to. Take a careful look through these lists and select the specific list or lists you wish to import into Power BI. This step can be especially useful if your SharePoint site hosts multiple lists and you're looking to focus on just a few for analysis. Finally, you'll need to make a decision on how you want to bring this data into Power BI. One option is to load the data directly, which pulls it into Power BI as is. Alternatively, if you have specific criteria or need to clean your data first, you might choose Transform Data. This lets you use Power BI's query editor to sort, filter, or clean data before it's fully loaded. Selecting this option can save you time and help ensure that the data presented in your reports is accurate and relevant. And that's all there is to it. Connecting your SharePoint list to Power BI is simple and opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and visualization. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.